There's a reason you felt drawn to this message. Your intuition and your guides have led you here. Ready for the message meant only for you? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111.
Hello, my beautiful souls of air signs. Let's look into your December love reading. What does spirits want you to know about your romantic path? Whether you are a sun, moon, rising, or Venus of any air sign, if your intuition brought you here, there's something meant for you in this reading. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out cards and see how it goes. Okay, air signs. Okay, signs, your current romantic energy, Magician, what spirits want you to release, Two of Pentacles, what spirits want you to embrace, Ace of Wands, what's coming towards you in love, Page of Wands, and the direction of your romantic path, Seven of Swords, and we'll also pull out the Oracle card, which will be your guidance or theme for the month. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. Okay, signs. If you can see, your current romantic energy for the month of December is Magician. That means everything is in your control and you have all the power to control everything, not in a negative way, but power and responsibility, especially to take care of this relationship, to make this relationship grow and to spread the happiness in this relationship. You are very loyal and honest, and you have this knowledge or you have this heart to take care of everything in a relationship, which will make that relationship eventually successful. So this is your current romantic energy for the month of December. And what the spirits want you to release is, air signs, you need to try to balance different areas of your life, because balance is needed in all areas of life. If you keep on working and if you ignore your personal life, health, love life and family, then that will be an issue. If you don't work, then that will be an issue. So you always need to balance each and every area of your life. So the spirits want you to release of juggling between many things and not able to balance. So you need to learn how to balance, which will eventually give you growth and success, and also wide open other opportunities in your life, which will give you name and fame. So stop juggling and learn how to balance things. And what spirits want you to embrace is Ace of Wands. You need to act. Whatever action you take, that action will eventually give you growth and success in your love life. And you should also remember that there is a divine blessing upon you, which will eventually give you growth, success and stability in your life. So just embrace whatever actions or whatever effort you put in the relationship, that will be blessed, and I can see growth and stability. And what is coming towards you in love is you are trying to discover few things in your love life, or you are trying to explore. This can be a travel. You and your partner might be exploring because you both are very loyal and honest, and you have divine blessing. Though there is some negativity or there are some obstacles, which is very normal in every relationship, still you are trying to overcome these obstacles by exploring or by traveling to different places where you want to give stability and success to your love life. So what's coming is there might be a chance of traveling, or if not immediate traveling, then there you might be thinking and deciding on few places to travel with your partner to make this relationship more successful. And the direction of your romantic path is, I can see some betrayal here. It is 7 of Wands. Someone is trying to trick you or your partner, or either both of you are trying to trick each other, because I can see you both, especially you have a power to take care of everything and take responsibility of everything. But the thing is, you need to balance things and you need to focus on all the actions you put in your relationship. But still, I can see some betrayal. So, everything is going good, but just be careful. There might be some trickery, or someone is trying to defeat others or trying to betray others. So, just be cautious, air signs. It can be your partner or it can be some third person. What you have to do is try to plan some travel and spend more time as your overall guidance. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. So just you need to give the space to other person. Either you or your partner should give space to each other in order to be successful. I can see the success, but thing is that in order to avoid few things, in order to avoid this betrayal, you need to travel and also meditate and connect with your divine for further guidance. Okay? Just be cautious, because the reading is good, but the direction of your love life is not that friendly actually. So, in order to summarize, air signs, you have the power and responsibility to take care of everything, and you are very loyal and honest. And the thing is that you need to learn how to balance things, which will eventually attract few opportunities or choices in your life. Whatever actions you put in your love life, that you need to embrace, because the actions what you take or the steps what you take in your love life to make it grow, that will eventually give you growth and success and stability. And I can see travel popping in your life, or you may take some decision regarding the travel to explore few places with your partner. But don't forget, you need to give space to each other and don't suffocate each other. Just give space to each other, because when you give space to each other, then the bonding will grow very strong, and that will also eventually avoid the direction of your love, which is a betrayal. Maybe because of someone, you and your partner may be betrayed. So in order to avoid this, you need to build closeness between you and give space to each other. Hope this resonates. Thank you for watching Air Signs. If this reading resonates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and trust your intuition.